Hi, everyone, and welcome to class. As you, I think, know, my name is Lori Walker. You can just call me Lori if we're ever doing a Zoom meeting or talking via phone. And I just wanted to take a moment, welcome you to class, and just say a few things to help get you started. So obviously, you've gotten into Canvas, so you have a sense of what that is. If you have any questions about how to actually use the basics of Canvas, I encourage you to look in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, and you'll notice there's a little a backpack. And that backpack, excuse me, if you click on it, will give you a number of resources that explain how to use Canvas in more detail. Now, specific to our class, you're going to notice that I set things up according to modules. So for this week, we'll be working on module 1. You're going to notice that I always give you the overview, the objectives, the learning outcomes for the week first. And sometimes I will also put announcements there because I notice sometimes people don't look at the announcements separately. So I always encourage you to check what's there. You're also going to notice that in general, I give assignments on Monday mornings at basically 12 a.m. And for the great majority of your assignments, they will be due at the end of the week. So that would be Sunday at 11:59 p.m. I also want to point out a couple of other things. We are very lucky to be able to have a tutor working with us, Jennifer. Jennifer will be sending you information through the announcements, and she'll give you various times that you can go ahead and meet with her. That can be about course concepts, that can be about particular assignments. That could also be about how to be able to perhaps write notes or to be able to study for quizzes, things of that nature. So I encourage you to touch base with Jennifer as well and take advantage of what she can offer you. Now, I also want to point out that in the module itself, you have the syllabus. I do encourage you to take a look at that, especially since I can't be in person to be able to review that with you. And then after the syllabus, you're also going to notice that I have a page that just has frequently asked questions. And I do that because I find that oftentimes there are things that just aren't addressed in the syllabus or that students naturally ask me once they've actually taken a look at the syllabus itself. So I encourage you to read those over just to see if there's anything there that can kind of help you understand the dynamics of the class a little bit better. So you guys, I think that's pretty much our introduction for today. Again, if you have any questions that aren't answered in the module, please feel free to email me or Jennifer. If there are questions about the class, in terms of the details of the class, obviously I can answer those. I do encourage you to email both Jennifer and myself through the actual Canvas itself, meaning not through a personal email, but just down there at the inbox, which you'll see on the left-hand side of your screen when you're in Canvas. Otherwise, my friends, welcome to the class. I'm happy to have you here.